Dear John, it was the best thing in my life to have known you. Given a chance, I will not want to leave you. But as you know, life is unexpected. Terminal illness is not something that I expected. I hope you love this gift from me. You are lonely, you really need a companion. Love, Helen Wee.
Hey, how much for the car?
You don't know how to go SG Karma take a look ah?
Why not I give you 1 million for this car?
Sorry, it's not for sale.
Hey, do you know what you have done or not?
I went for a swim in the morning, gym in the afternoon, then go KTV at night lah.
That's all? Are you sure?
In between the gym and KTV, I go put a bomb in someone's house lah, then steal his car lah.
It's not what you did. It's who you did it to.
Wow, he's just a regular guy living in Papaya what?
He is John Wee. You killed his cat, steal his car. He's coming for you.
Who the hell is John Wee? Scared what?
He once killed 3 men at a pub with a pencil.
So?
You don't know ah? He can cut knife right with a butter. When he do push up right, the world go down instead of he push down. Wow. He's coming for you, bro.
Sure.
You better chow now. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Aiyo.
Target locked.
Neil,
What the hell?
you killed my kitten.
I adopt a new one for you.
You stole my car.
I return you back the key. Give me your key.
You explode my home.
I go renopedia.sg, find a few interior designer, get the best quote and renovate for you. I pay for it.
Are you sure?
Sure. Please. Please. Please.
Log in to renopedia.sg now.
Name?
John Wee.
Budget?
You say that?
Type of home? 4-room flat, 5-room flat?
You explode my home. Hello.
I think it's a 4-room. Floor plan, I upload for you. Okay? Okay, submit.
Make sure they call you and make sure you pay for a renovation. I want to see it in 6 weeks time or else.
Okay, okay. Please, 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 please. Please.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.